for? They're all speechless. Sabi ko, bakit parang wala masyadong pumapalakpak kasi naka-cellphone silang lahat. Napakaganda ni Miss Mirna. I just want to say, you have one of the most prettiest faces in the whole world. It's just perfect. I'm looking at her. It's just all perfect. Second time ko na siya nakita, but still I am mesmerized. Can you just stay here with your sisters? And now, of course, let's bring to the stage Binibining Pilipinas Club 2020. Now, Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, you have kind of like a little bit of Chinese. First runner-up, Crystal De La Cruz. Center stage very quickly, and you can just give a quick Christmas message to everyone who's watching. We'll start with Mirna.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon po sa ating lahat, and I hope that you're having a great time here in Farmers Plaza in Araneta City, the city of first. Of course, I'd like to thank everyone for celebrating the Christmas vibe here in Farmers Plaza. And thank you so much for having the time to participate in our activity.
Di ba't kay ganda sa atin ang Pasko? Naiiba ang pagdiriwang dito. Pasko sa hanapin mo, walang katulad dito Pasko. Lagi mo na maiisip na sila'y nandito sana, at sa Noche Buena ay magkakasama. Pasko ay may saya kung kayo'y gawin na. Sana pagsabi ng Pasko kayo'y narito. Kahit pa malayo ka, kahit nasaan ka pa, maligayang bati para sa inyo.
Sama-sama